Hi guys, once again. Today we will disassemble in a quick way, at least the way that I was able to find to disassemble the take off the Blu-ray drive over here, because from what I was checking, we don't need to disassemble everything. I was always disassembling everything, but just for the Blu-ray drive we don't need everything. So I will make a video today just to show that kind of quick way. So first of all, we have here a couple of screws, this side and this side. Sometimes one of them is covered with the warranty, I think, or some sticker, but this case we don't have it already, because actually I already opened this before, so I don't even know where I put it. So let's unscrew these two screws, and this one what we are using, it's a this one I think it's a T9, yeah. So the other side as well, let's do it like this. Okay, so we took the two screws. Now to take the cover out, you just slide it to yourself just a little bit, and then this right side you just flip it just like this, and this other side it should come out easy, and that's it. Now we still need to disassemble a little bit more. So now we have here some, I don't know if you can see, but these ones here as well, it's a T9. They are some flat head. Meanwhile these other ones here that are T9 as well, they are kind of roundish. If you can see here a little bit, let's see if it will focus. It's a bit roundish, while these ones are kind of flat. You can see a little bit difference, yeah, these ones and those ones. So there is a few of them. I'll put them here in my box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. I think only these ones. So let's take out these ones. They are quite long ones, so let's do it. Okay, one more thing that here we need to do before taking the back part. We need to disconnect this cable over here, and we have here as well a ribbon cable, so we need to take it out. Just have a flap, and let's pull it out, this one and these two over here. These ones are as well T9. Okay, so we kind of now took everything. So what we'll do, we'll flip it around like this, and let's take this bottom part. This bottom part just goes up a bit and should come to yourself. So because it comes to yourself, I'll show you why. Because here we have these ones that of the drive that fit perfectly in here in this bottom. So you need to, this one part is quite easy, just kind of flip it like this to your up and then pull it to yourself. It's a bit tricky but to show on camera, but I hope I can show you like this. You pull it like that and then to yourself, something like this. Okay, so we took now, I think, most of the things out. So what we have now still this back cover over here, and to take off this back cover we need to unscrew these two screws over here. They are as well some T10. This one is short and I think this one is a bit longer one. Yep. So let's put it like this, and now this just comes up. Just need to wiggle a little bit both sides and that's it. Okay, and now we have here the Blu-ray drive. So here I found there is two ways. We just pull it up here because there is a small pin here, and pull it a bit to yourself. Here, as you can see, you have two connectors. Both of them connects to the Blu-ray drive, and they connect to the motherboard itself. Not sure if you can see, but yeah, you can see over there. I will disconnect from the Blu-ray itself because it's a little bit easier. So we need to kind of wiggle it a little bit. Let's take this one first and then this one. It's a bit hardish, this one, but it's coming out a little by little. If it comes out at all, I can try to use some pliers as well because it's a bit easier. Just need to be careful not to break anything. Okay, it comes out. And that's it. As well, you can do, if you have trouble to take this connector from this side, what you can do is try to lose a bit here the power supply, and for that you need to unscrew, I think, this one and this one, and then you will be able to lose here a bit the power supply, that at least you can pull it up a bit and then you can disconnect these two ones. But I found that the quickest way is just pull the cables from the power supply. And this is how you take out the power supply. At least this was the quickest way that I was able to find. Before I was disassembling everything, but now I did practice a little bit more, and then I noticed this is actually the quickest way to do it. So I think I will make another video about how to disassemble the Blu-ray drive itself, and so you can see probably my next video. It will be about how to disassemble, because for this one I will need to change the optical part because I think it's messed up. So thanks for watching this one, and see you later.